Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by selecting the continuity setting on your multimeter and confirming the audible tone is enabled. Once done, make sure the circuit is de-energized and capacitors are discharged so readings aren't false. Next, clip or hold the black lead in the common jack and the red lead in the voltage/ohm jack. You should briefly touch the probes together to hear the tone and verify the meter. This confirms the tool is ready and the leads are functioning before you move to the component. You now probe the 2 points you want to test, keeping firm contact and steady pressure on the probes. If the meter beeps and shows a very low resistance value, that indicates a conductive path or good continuity. The reading explains how low the resistance is. Conversely, if there's no tone and the display shows open loop or a very high resistance, you have an open circuit or a discontinuity. Make sure to test both directions for components like diodes and be consistent with probe placement. To finish, remove the probes and restore power only after you're certain the circuit is safe. Then confirm the device or circuit behaves as expected under normal power. If results were confusing, check common failure points: dirty or bent probe tips, a low meter battery, incorrect mode or range, or poor probe contact. If you suspect the meter, touch the probes together or use a known good jumper. If that fails, replace the battery or test another meter to isolate the issue.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.